Good afternoon, guys. This is Lee from Source Sounds, just giving you another quick demonstration of a fantastic little KENWOOD radio that we fitted into this Kia Sportage 2016. Now this unit had the factory navigation system, but the customer didn't like it. It was out of date. They just wanted a little bit more control and compatibility with their phone, which they use an iPhone. So you can see there, powering up, we've got a little nice Kia logo on the screen. And when it goes into the unit, we've got facilities for, so if we go there, so we've got, you see we've got DAB radio, we've got FM radio, you can see there's a Bluetooth media connection and a Bluetooth phone call connection. Obviously these two units won't work fully because we're going to use Apple CarPlay on this radio for the customer. So if we go into Apple CarPlay, this thing gives you the phone control, and this will basically just display your phone information like it does on your phone. You've got keypad access, and then you can get into your voicemails if you wish. Come back out of there, so you've got Apple Music, Apple Maps, text messages, so you can make and receive texts via Siri, so you don't have to touch the phone at all. And as you go through there on this phone, we've just got then WhatsApp, and then you've got your settings and calendar. But other apps that will work perfectly well, you're going to be like talking like Spotify, Amazon Music, Google Maps and Waze navigation apps, to name but a few, and there'll be a few more than that. Just pop back to the KENWOOD screen. Just on this unit as well, you can see that we've retained the factory camera. So you can see it's actually Kia day today, so you've got another Kia behind us. And that's the original reverse camera. Fully works. Steering controls also work. So if we just go up there, you can see it. Turn the unit up and down. This car has also got red and green phone buttons. These also work with the KENWOOD system, so when the phone rings you can answer it and then end the call from that button as well. It's a fantastic little unit, the DMX7520DABS. For any further information, give us a call on 0114 257 1550, and obviously you can check out the information on the KENWOOD Electronics website. Thank you. Bye.